Oh my God, so the power just went out. Emergency thing came up saying there's a evacuation of West Maui or something. Anyway, so weird. Oh, anyway. So the joke, this is continuation. Welcome back. It's so weird. I hope we don't have to evacuate. There's no way. Anyway, okay. So, yeah. Okay, so if you're, sorry, there's not very good light. Do I have? Be right back. Does that help? I don't know where to put that. Let's see here. Does that help? All right. Okay. So there was just this weird emergency alert and the power went out. And, but the show must go on, I guess. Anyways, welcome to All Good Things and All Good Time. Yeah, so I'm pouring a beer. It should take 7 minutes. And Germans believe that when you do that, it makes it taste better and takes away hangover. And it's proof that you got a clean glass. Okay, this is kind of weird. It's spooky. Power out. Emergency alert coming out saying there's an evacuation on the west side, like as if there's another fire somewhere. I don't know. They have given us no, I wonder what the rates are that they pay. If it's full rates and they're giving us no television, I have no idea. If I could just watch the news, God, it'd be so helpful. Oh, that's good coffee. All right. Oh man, that's just so crazy. Okay. It is very windy. As you can hear, it's howling. I was going to do, I might as well still do a test here of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 kinds of water, plus the tap water. And then, yeah, I could do 0 water too. All right. So, let's just get into that. This is Walmart water. We tested this the other day, and I think it came out at like 27. Let's see if that holds consistent. Yeah, 29, 30 parts per million. Pretty darn good, pretty darn good. Okay. Let's check out the Kirkland brand, Costco. That's 20 parts per million. I think it was 19 the other day. All right, we got Hawaiian Mountain Fresh. I think I'm getting anything. What do I gotta do? Huh. Man, this is disturbing. sirens out there. Pardon me. Oh my God, there might be an evacuation going on. Oh, okay, I gotta go.